Here's how to create highlights on Instagram. First, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, and also make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Now swipe right to the homepage to open your camera. Select the photo or the video from your gallery that you want to add in your highlights. Tap on the arrow icon, which is highlighted in white color in the right-hand side. Then tap on share. Once it has been shared in your story, you need to go ahead and open your story. Then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, tap on highlight. Now create a highlight and name the highlight. Then tap on add, which is highlighted in blue color. You can see that the indication is given in the screen that the photo has been added to my highlights, and highlights stay on the profile until you remove them. So if you want to go ahead and view it, tap on view on profile, or you can directly access your profile. Then refresh your page and you'll be able to see the highlights section on your profile. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.